And welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix or just why you can't see the Invisible Woman skin. And the Invisible Woman skin that I'm talking about is the Blood Shield Invisible Woman skin. So the reason why you can't see it is because it's actually only you're only allowed to get it basically once the season is over. So the first time you were able to get it is when season 1 was over, and now it is season 1.5. So you'll be able to get it if you are gold or higher once you reach season 1.5 is done. And not only will you get the Blood Shield Invisible Woman skin, you'll also get the Blood Blaze Human Torch skin as well. So that is something to keep in mind. And again, it's not like once you hit gold you'll automatically get it. No, you'll only be able to get it once the season is over. So that is it for the video. And again, you will be able to now unlock, if you weren't able to hit gold season 1 but you have hit it in season 1.5, then you'll be able to get it, you'll be able to get it now. So once the season is over, you'll automatically get the skin. And that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.